My name is Chris Kirsch, Project Manager, Newark Airport Terminal B. I've been with the company now about 7-8 months. Really enjoying it, thrown right into the mix of things. It's a very high-profile project, but it's also the first of its kind. Not in terms of the lighting retrofits, but mostly with regards to the LED fixtures that are also linked into a mesh network of security cameras, antenna systems, all kinds of very advanced technologies. A lot of moving parts in this project. FSG doing work has been here for, I want to say, about 6-7 months. I mean, you're going from a metal halide fixture, a 450-watt metal halide, down to an LED. You're talking a substantial amount of savings. And not only that, but the environmental impacts of an LED system that each individual fixture is controlled separately is great. Sensity is the manufacturer of the lighting system, as well as the software network. And Stanley Security is the security company responsible for most of the video analytics and most of the security camera network feeds. We've come across some pretty intense holidays: Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, and there's blackout dates. High travel times. We are unable to work in the area just due to the volume of traffic that they see throughout the airport. So scheduling is a major hump to get over, and as well as the scheduling amongst all the other contractors that we're working with. We're really trying to take on these projects, become at the forefront of this more advanced and progressive technologies. And this is the first of its kind anywhere. So it's good for FSG to get its foot in the door. And not just at airports, train stations, big venues like stadiums, that sort of thing. This technology could really be used anywhere. I was with a competitor for about 3 years. I've been on board about 7 months now, and it just leaps and bounds ahead of where my old company was. Internally, it seems that all of the employees of FSG, it's really a tight-knit group. It really is, and that alone allows you to enjoy your position in your company a lot more, because in my opinion, it makes you a lot more productive. It makes you enjoy what you're doing. It allows you to engage other projects and be involved as much as possible. And that, to me, is number one. This is the future. I mean, what we're looking at here is the future. This is the type of system that will be rolled out. I'm excited to be a part of it, and I just see the amount of growth that FSG is capable of, especially being involved with projects as high profile and as advanced as this type of project is. And I'm excited to see where the company goes from here, and excited to be part of the growth.